What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to download the Elder Scrolls Online. What we want to do is go to Google and enter there the Elder Scrolls Online. So once you have entered that, just click on enter and now you will see the official The Elder Scrolls Online webpage. We don't would like to visit that one. We would like to go to the Steam link and click on The Elder Scrolls Online. Enter that website, and once you have arrived at the Steam website, you can watch the video about this game, you can check out some screenshots, read some information, and definitely don't forget to check out the game requirements. Once you have decided to download this game, simply click on Add to Cart, then View My Cart, and after that sign into Purchase. Once you have purchased the game, you can easily start playing it today. So, hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which video game you would like to see next. See you guys, bye bye.